Hey folks, this is a real quick video. I'm going to give you a little tour around my R1300GS and some of the options it's got on it and customizations. I'll just grab the camera and show you around. Alright, so here we go. R1300GS, regular GS, not the Adventure. I've optioned a few things on it. We've got luggage at the back, we've got SW-Motech TRAX ADV Panniers with the Lone Rider top case. I'll just walk around and show you those. Then we've got some custom Footpegs. Gilles Footpegs, I think they're called. Got a headlight guard. And then we've got the custom BMW forged alloy wheels. These are like the Enduro alloy wheels with Karoo 4 tires. I've done a home wrap job on these front fairing pieces to black them out. Then around the other side we've got the dual Akrapovic silencer in black. I've got Healtech exhaust servo switch to make it slightly louder. And then I've also powder coated the pillion foot pegs and these exhaust hangers and things to make them black as well. The close-up of the rider's foot pegs. Also powder coated these guards. These are the standard BMW cylinder guards that go on the bottom. And then under here we've got the SW-Motech engine guard and bash plate underneath. The Panniers are on a SW-Motech Pro side carrier, which is removable. And I think that's about it. So I'll give you one last look at it. There you go, hope that was useful. Thanks a lot.